Today, we are going to install the Watchguard T185 into the RM-WG-T11 from Rackmount.IT. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit. 2 brackets, 2 sliders, 4 M3 bolts, 12 M4 bolts, 12 nuts, and 2 thumb screws. Take one slider, extend it fully, then push the black lever either up or down to separate it into 2 parts. Attach the part with the lever to the rack mount. Use bolts on the inside and nuts on the outside. The pre-drilled holes can only align in one orientation. Attach the other part to one of the brackets, using bolts on the inside and nuts on the outside. Align the slider on the side with the ear. This is the only way the mounting holes will align correctly. Repeat the previous steps for the other slider. Place the appliance on the rack mount. This can be done with the appliance oriented front to front or front to back. Secure it with 4 M3 bolts. Slide the sliders back into each other. Secure the rack mount to the brackets with the thumb screws. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Place your Watchguard rack mount in your 19-inch cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.